Hi, and welcome to my hotel and room tour of the Grand Hyatt Incheon. Located near the Incheon airport, it's a large hotel great for those who need a place to stay before catching a flight. The lobby area is very open, spacious, and bright. Hotel staff are regularly present and friendly. We stayed here for just one night as a transitional stop before our flight back to the Bay Area the following evening. Also, there's quite a bit of convention space, so this is a very good hotel for business travelers. To get here, we opted for the hotel's airport shuttle that comes twice an hour between 5:35 a.m. and 10:05 p.m. at Terminal 1. And to return to the airport, there is a shuttle from the hotel that also leaves every half hour. It's a short ride, only about 5 minutes. We arrived late in the evening and stayed in a 2 twin beds Club Access West Tower room. At about 400 square feet, it's a tight fit for our family of 4, especially the beds. The bathroom includes an all-in-one bathtub and shower combo which saves space and I feel is rather practical. It's a minimalist bathroom but feels very clean and bright, and complete with a necessary smart toilet. There is one small closet cabinet with a safe in the drawer. Coffee and tea are included, but the refreshments in the refrigerator came with a price tag. As I mentioned before, the 2 twins are small, but it's manageable for our quick one-night stay. Mattress was firm, but comfortable. The cabinets under the television do swing open for additional storage. Not sure what is the function of this slide out on the nightstand, but it's there for your interpretation. Also, no USB ports near your bedside, so the desk area became our center of entanglement. The hotel also welcomed us with some chocolates for our stay. No dining options at our late hour, so we opted for the infrequently used room service. Decent sized menu and the food was okay. Paradise City is nearby with a ton of food options, but it was late and we didn't want to make the walk over there. The next morning, the view was pleasant and peaceful, and more importantly, it was quiet, regardless of its proximity to the airport. We only had a brief experience in the Grand Club and it seemed okay. Just some light refreshments and snacks when we were there, but probably more interesting during breakfast or happy hour where there are hot hors d'oeuvres. What surprised me most was the health and fitness facilities. The gym was quite nice with a good mix of cardio and strength training machines and free weights. The indoor pool was inviting and had plenty of space for those swimming laps. Decent seating areas and spacious throughout the facility. Outside of the pool area is a reception area with plenty of tables and floor space. A children's area is also on the west side of this property, along with a children's pool facility and a large artificial turf field. Across the outdoor bridge to the east tower are more hotel rooms as well as another swimming pool which was closed to the public. Also a very well-kept garden made for a nice pleasant morning walk. On the lobby level is Swell Lounge offering drinks and light meals. As Hyatt Globalists, we were offered complimentary breakfast for 2 adults and 2 children at Grand Cafe. There was a decent mix of Western and Korean menu items and food quality was good, but not mind-blowing. Overall, a surprisingly nice stay at this Category 3 Hotel Point Redemption Grand Hyatt. It's a good value and the complimentary shuttle makes it easy to travel to and from the airport. Not a ton of sightseeing in the area, but great for a quick stay. What do you think? Thanks for watching.